Welcome back to. If you're passionate about motorcycles and all things two-wheeled, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Harley-Davidson Sportster S, exploring its features, performance, design, and everything that makes it stand out in the cruiser market. Whether you're a die-hard Harley fan or just curious about this iconic brand, stick around as we take you on a detailed journey through this exciting motorcycle. The Harley-Davidson Sportster S is a name that carries a lot of weight in the motorcycling community. Combining classic heritage with modern performance, the Sportster series has been a staple since 1957. In 2021, Harley reimagined the Sportster with the introduction of the Sportster S, marking a significant evolution. Now, in 2025, we'll explore what updates and features the latest iteration brings to the table. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Sportster S continues to blend retro style with modern aesthetics. At first glance, you'll notice its aggressive stance, characterized by a muscular tank and a distinctive bobbed rear fender. The LED lighting all around adds a contemporary touch while ensuring maximum visibility. The paint options are impressive, with new color schemes introduced for 2025. Whether you prefer classic black, vibrant reds, or sleek metallics, there's something to suit every rider's personality. The attention to detail in the design, from the graphics to the finish, reflects Harley's commitment to quality craftsmanship. Moving on to the ergonomics, the Sportster S features a low seat height that appeals to a broad range of riders. The handlebars are positioned for a relaxed riding posture, making it ideal for both city commutes and long rides on the highway. The overall design is not just about looks, it's engineered for comfort. Now, let's dive into what powers the Sportster S. At the heart of this beast is the Revolution Max 1250T engine. This liquid-cooled V-twin engine produces an impressive 121 horsepower and 94 lb-ft of torque. The 2025 model fine-tunes this powertrain for even smoother acceleration and responsiveness. The engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission, ensuring that riders can enjoy seamless shifting, whether they're cruising on the highway or navigating through city traffic. The throttle response is exhilarating, giving you that classic Harley roar as you twist the grip. In terms of performance, the Sportster S is designed for agility. The chassis is lighter than many of its competitors, making it easy to handle. The suspension setup includes adjustable front forks and a monoshock rear, allowing for customization based on rider preference and riding conditions. Harley-Davidson has stepped up its game in terms of technology with the 2025 Sportster S. The bike comes equipped with a full-color TFT display, providing essential information at a glance. From speed and fuel levels to navigation prompts, the display is intuitive and easy to read, even in bright sunlight. Another fantastic feature is the rider modes. The Sportster S offers multiple riding modes that allow you to tailor the bike's performance to suit different conditions. Whether you're riding in wet weather or hitting the twisties, you can adjust the power delivery and traction control to match your style. Bluetooth connectivity is also included, enabling riders to connect their smartphones for music and navigation. The sound system is designed to deliver high-quality audio so you can enjoy your favorite tunes on the road. Safety is paramount when it comes to motorcycling, and the 2025 Sportster S is equipped with advanced braking technology. The bike features dual front discs and a single rear disc, providing excellent stopping power. The anti-lock braking system enhances safety by preventing wheel lock-up during hard braking. Additionally, the cornering ABS feature ensures that the bike remains stable while braking in turns, giving you more confidence in various riding conditions. With the addition of traction control, the Sportster S is equipped to handle a range of terrains and weather conditions. One of the most appealing aspects of owning a Harley is the customization potential, and the 2025 Sportster S is no exception. Harley-Davidson offers a range of accessories and upgrades, allowing riders to personalize their bikes. From performance upgrades to aesthetic changes, the options are nearly limitless. Popular modifications include aftermarket exhaust systems for that classic Harley sound, custom seats for added comfort, and upgraded handlebars for a more personalized riding position. Additionally, the bike can be fitted with saddlebags and windshields for those longer journeys, making it versatile for different riding styles. Now, let's talk about the riding experience. The Sportster S delivers a thrilling ride that combines power and agility. The low seat height gives a sense of confidence, allowing new riders to feel secure while still catering to seasoned veterans. When you hit the throttle, the engine responds with an exhilarating surge of power. Whether you're cruising at a steady pace or blasting down a highway, the Sportster S provides an adrenaline rush that's hard to match. The bike feels stable at high speeds, and the responsive steering makes it a joy to navigate through twisty roads. The riding position strikes a perfect balance between comfort and control. The handlebars are positioned to give you a commanding view of the road, and the foot peg placement allows for a natural riding posture. Long rides become enjoyable, with minimal fatigue even after hours in the saddle. In the market, the Sportster S faces stiff competition from other cruiser brands like Indian and Triumph. Let's take a moment to compare. The Indian Scout Bobber, for example, offers a similar performance level, but the Sportster S pulls ahead with its modern technology and customizable options. On the other hand, Triumph Speedmaster is another worthy competitor, known for its classic styling and performance. However, many riders find the Sportster S's balance of retro and modern elements more appealing. When it comes to brand loyalty and community, Harley-Davidson also has a leg up, with a passionate following that spans decades. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Sportster S starts at a competitive price point compared to its rivals. While it may be an investment, the combination of performance, technology, and the Harley-Davidson name makes it a worthy contender in the market. Furthermore, the resale value for Harley-Davidson bikes tends to be higher than many other brands. This means that if you ever decide to sell or trade in your Sportster S, you're likely to recoup a significant portion of your investment. Owning a Harley-Davidson isn't just about the motorcycle, it's about joining a community. The Sportster S, like all Harley models, comes with access to a vast network of riders and events. From group rides to rallies, the Harley community is vibrant and welcoming. Many riders find a sense of camaraderie and shared passion among fellow Harley enthusiasts. This lifestyle aspect enhances the overall ownership experience, making it more than just a means of transportation. In conclusion, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Sportster S is an impressive machine that successfully merges classic style with modern technology and performance. With its powerful engine, advanced features, and a host of customization options, it's designed for riders who appreciate both form and function. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the world of motorcycles, the Sportster S has something to offer everyone. Its agility and responsiveness on the road make it a thrilling ride, while the comfortable ergonomics ensure that you can spend hours in the saddle without discomfort. Thanks for tuning in to your channel name. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Harley-Davidson Sportster S, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more motorcycle content, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Have you had a chance to ride the Sportster S? We'd love to hear your experiences. Until next time, ride safe and keep the rubber side down.